In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the COUNTIF function. We use the COUNTIF function when we want to count a range based on a criterion. So for example, in this worksheet, I want to count the number of employees that live in Roseville. And you can see that I have the employee names here, their department, their city, and the number of classes that they're teaching. In this cell, I'm going to begin my COUNTIF function. This is a statistical function, so I'm going to go to Formulas, More Functions, Statistical. I'm going to go down to COUNTIF. For the range, I'm going to go ahead and select D4 to D18, which lists the different cities that the employees live. And in the criteria section, I need to put the criteria in quotes, and then I'll type in Roseville, and then I click OK. And you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 employees live in Roseville. And matter of fact, down here in the auto calculate, it says count 5 in this section. In this cell, I need to determine the number of employees living in Rockland, but this time I'm going to go ahead and use the autocomplete method to complete this function. So to get started, I'll type equal, and then I start to type count. I'm going to double click COUNTIF, which automatically completes the function name. You can see here that my first argument needs to be the range, and then I need to enter my criteria. So for this part, I'm going to go ahead and select D4 to D18 because this is where I'm telling the computer to look for the criteria. I need to separate this with a comma, and then I can enter my criteria, but again, remember that you have to enter the criteria in quotes. So I'm going to put Rockland in quotes, put my right parenthesis on the end of that function, and then enter. And I'm going to go ahead and check this. So here's Rockland, Rockland, and Rockland. And you can see Rockland is entered 3 times. So we have 3 employees that live in Rockland. And that's it. That's how you use the COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel.